Decimal rounding made easy. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we're going to explore the concept of decimal rounding. Rounding decimals is a fundamental skill in mathematics, and it's very useful in everyday life, especially when dealing with money or measurements. So, let's dive into understanding how to round decimals effectively. Before we start rounding, it's important to understand what decimals are. Decimals represent fractions of a whole number and are separated from the integer part by a decimal point. For example, in the number 3.14, 3 is the whole number part and 0.14 is the decimal part. Rounding decimals is about changing a decimal to the nearest whole number or to a certain number of decimal places. The key rule to remember is, look at the number right after the place you want to round to. If this number is 5 or more, you round up. If it's less than 5, you round down. When rounding a decimal to the nearest whole number, you look at the first digit after the decimal point. For example, if you round 2.7, you would round up to 3 because 7 is more than 5. If you round 2.3, it rounds down to 2, since 3 is less than 5. Sometimes, you need to round to a specific place, like to 1 or 2 decimal places. The same rule applies. Look at the number right after the place you're rounding to. For instance, 3.146 rounded to 2 decimal places becomes 3.15 because 6, the third decimal place, is 5 or more. Let's go through a few examples together. This will help solidify our understanding of decimal rounding. Example 1. Round 4.567 to the nearest whole number. Example 2. Round 0.9934 to 1 decimal place. Example 3. Round 7.851 to 2 decimal places. That's all for today's lesson on decimal rounding. I hope this video has made the concept clear and easy to understand. Remember, practice is key to mastering any new skill, so try rounding some decimals on your own. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.